Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Sims 4 keeps crashing freezing. Alright, so let's begin. First, navigate to the very bottom of your screen and right-click on your taskbar. Open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, click on Processes in the top left corner. End every task that is currently running and isn't essential for Windows. This helps reduce background processes that can cause lag or freezing, especially on lower-end PCs. Once you've ended all unnecessary processes, close the Task Manager. Next, right-click on an empty spot on your desktop and select Display Settings. Identify your main monitor if you have multiple monitors by clicking on Identify. Scroll down to Scale and Layout and set the size of text, apps, and other items to 100% as recommended. Ensure that your display resolution matches the resolution you use in games. For example, if your game runs at 720x 1080, set your display resolution accordingly. Apply these changes and close the display settings. Now, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the Windows symbol and open Settings. Go to Update and Security and select Windows Update. Click on Check for updates to ensure your operating system is up to date. After updating Windows, go to your graphics card driver application or use your browser to download and install the latest version of your graphics driver. This ensures optimal performance for your PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.